So guys, today I'll be doing a few things. First, I'll be changing a dirty cover to something that is a little more fancy like that. And I'll be changing these two panels. I mean, they're nice and chrome and all, but I do not like these bolts, so I'll be changing them to something a little more slick. Let's get to work. So I'll be loosening these bolts, but make sure your bike is upright first. The oil could come out of it if the bike is on the jiffy stand. So I'll be loosening the bolts, but I'll be skipping one and then go to the next. Say, loosening or tightening, it's better that you skip one and go diagonal. Like you start here and you skip that and you go to that one. And then next is that by skipping that. So you just make a nice star like that. So it's T27. There you go. Okay, now let's clean this area. So the instruction for this new derby cover says to install this new gasket, which is, the part number is 2541699C here, which is this. The original one is like a rubber gasket, so I guess I'll be changing that to the new one. The gasket is right behind it, towards clutch. Okay, that goes like that. First, let's just snugly fit all these bolts, and then I'll tighten them up with the specified torque, which is 84 to 105 inch-pound of torque. That's roughly about 9 to 12 Newton meters. So I'll go by metric, so I go with that. Do it for now, and then just put all these bolts in nice and snug. So the torque wrench is set to 10 Newton meters, so let's just go ahead and tighten them up. So when you tighten it, you make sure that you go across, like make a nice X, like starting from here and you go there, and then from here to go there, and so on. So let's just go ahead and do that. That's it. Let's move on to the next. Okay, now I'll be changing these two from these to that. That looks pretty nice, don't they? Yeah, no bolts, look very nice and slick. Done. So let's just change that and all finished. All done. Let's take a look. It's a real easy upgrade on your bike and it looks good. Just like that. Now, I actually do have one more thing, which is this. It's a bolt that goes right here. And let me just do that and then we'll call that finished. Oh my god, even the smallest part like this comes with an instruction. Look at that skill level. Time, 15 minutes. I don't think it's gonna take 15 minutes, but this is very nice. Like that. All good. Alright, thanks for watching and see you again soon.